In this tutorial, we'll show participants a progress bar to visually indicate how far they are through the task. First, let's preview the task and see this in action. As the participant goes through trials in the task, the progress bar at the top of the screen gradually fills in. To see how this has been set up, let's take a look at our trial display. Each trial contains a fixation screen, then a response screen where the participant selects their response. We need to add a progress bar object to every screen where we want to show the progress bar. First, we want to show it on the fixation screen. Set the progress maximum setting to the total number of trials in your task. This lets Gorilla work out how much of the progress bar to fill in on each trial. Copy this progress bar object onto every other screen where you want to show the progress bar. Here we also want to show it on the response screen. The progress bar settings should be the same on each screen where it appears. Next, we need to tell Gorilla when to increase the amount that's filled in on the progress bar. We want to increase progress each time the participant completes a trial by giving a response. To do this, we go to the Screen tab of the response screen and add an Increase Progress component. The Criteria drop-down tells Gorilla which responses count towards progress. Here we select any response, but you can also choose to increase progress only when specific response types are received. That's all you need to create a basic progress bar. Optionally, you can toggle on the Use Custom Field setting to track progress separately for different blocks of trials, or to track progress across multiple tasks in an experiment.